My big head is pretty good. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. If you are new to my channel, I post things on Thursdays and Sundays, and like at least once or twice a month. I like to play with some eyeshadows, probably more than like I film. But I play with some eyeshadows, see how they do. And today we're going to be playing with my Colourpop little eyeshadow doodle on the mango. Get it? On the mango. Anyway, it's orange. I want to try orange. That's what I'm here for, is the orange. It looks... Okay, in my head, like just between you and me, in my head, I thought I wanted orange. So I came out with this like kind of nudie looking shirt. And now I'm looking at the orange face to face and I don't know if I want orange anymore. I am on an orange kick though. So the only way to get orange out of your system is to orange. And we're going to play with this. I got this in one of my Colourpop mystery boxes. So if you want to try Colourpop, you're not quite sure what you want to try. First of all, everything's amazing. There's nothing bad that you get. You may get duplicates like I have. So watch how many mystery boxes you get. But you get cool stuff like this. And it's so cute. Hold on, let me read you the shade names. I'm not sure if I think this is Orchard. I think this is Mango Tango. I think this is Sweet Nectar, and I think this is Chutney. Maybe. Because Orchard and Sweet Nectar both have little asterisks that say you're not supposed to use in your immediate eye area. Even though we're pressed powder shadow. Okay, so we're not an eyeshadow. That's how we get out of that. It's not for the eyes because it's not an eyeshadow. We're pressed pigment. Let me open the box. Pop this little cutie out. I have like 4 more of these. I'm excited to try. I know I've tried a couple and posted them before. You can check those out either on the eyeshadow playlist or Colourpop has their own playlist because I have so much Colourpop stuff. But this looks kind of cute. I love the packaging on these. They're so cool. And the 4 little quad setup we have here just makes it perfect for on the go, which is what I'm trying to use this for. I'm trying to just do it up and go. The only bad thing is there's no mirror, but that's cool. I come with my own. Beauty crop stuck on you, check. Checkity check. And now we're gonna come in with my cute little shadow palette. I'm gonna hang on to my mirror. There we go. Now hang on to my mirror here too, just so you can see what colors I'm picking and I can see where the colors I'm picking are going. It seems fair. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be fine. It's not worrisome. It's orange and I wanted to do this. So, I'll just do this. We're going to take this one and it's going to be like a transition shade. I am going in light-handed because I know Colourpop is super pigmented. Super pigmented. And I'm not wrong. Every time. Yeah, that's pretty. I was so worried. Oh, I'm glad I went in pretty lightly with that one. Next, ooh, do I want to come in with a thicker brush? Or do I want to stick with this brush? I mean, I have options. I'm going to come in with my flat, not so fat, more flat, but a little fluffy brush. And we're gonna do this orange because I've been staring at this orange the whole, look at that, the whole time. I'm gonna do pretty much the whole middle part of my eyelid. The lid. Lid. Wow. Okie dokie. Looks pretty good. And then we're gonna come into this one right here. Same brush. And my little brush swashity thing so it takes off like a lot of the pigment. And I'm gonna come in and try to keep it towards the tip on this because I want to do the outside a little bit. Yes. Wow. I feel like this went a little too high, but that's okay. We still kind of like flickered it out a bit and it's not bad. I feel like had I fully understood the gravity of these shadows are pigmented like I told you and listened to myself, then I would have used tape. But this is still pretty good. We still got a little ways to go. I'm gonna come in with this shimmery right here. My little flat brush. And we're gonna do the inside. Last little itty bitty right here. And then we wipe that off. And I do want to come back in with this brush, not like with anything on it, but I want to try and blend this out a bit more between these two because I feel like there's a super harsh line and I want it kind of gone. Just a little. Yeah, that's it. See, just a little. Soften it just a little. Pretty good. Huh. No. And for sure, I'm going to put eyeliner. So give me like 2 seconds to eyeliner this and mascara this. So this look came together. I was worried. I was like, this is too much orange. I'm not about this. But here we are. Doing pretty good. Coming in with some ABH. What are you? Like spicy liquid lips. Don't be spicy. You smell like normal. Don't be spicy. Yeah. So, this came out good. And the lip is not spicy. So far so good. I just want to say, like, it's hard for me to not keep looking at myself because I love the way this looks. And I love the way this brings out my eye color. I don't know if it's just how I choose to do my makeup. Mostly probably my eyes, but it's always so dark and you can't really see my eye color. But with this, not doing like that, but just normally chilling it, you can see there's like some green and blue in there, which is nice. Oh, thank you, orange. So overall on the mango, I kind of like this. We're doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. I don't know, This is not something I would go out and buy on my own, like at all. But I got it in a mystery box, and using it and testing it out, I really like it. I don't know if you can tell, I'm obsessed. Like looking at one of my mirrors, I'm obsessed. This is good. Look at me in the viewfinder. We're doing pretty good. I like this. This is nice. Would you guys go out and buy like the individual little 4 pans? The only one that I did, because I did, was the 4 pan, it was the Taurus palette, because hi, hello, pleasure if we met. I'm a Taurus. How you doing? And I was so curious, and at the time I was like, oh my gosh, a green, and I was like, let me just, it's Colourpop. So of course I did, and it turned out good. Pretty sure I made a video about that. Go check out that video. But I mean, this came out pretty good. Like, me being hella skeptical, like black is my everyday color. Like the rest of my outfit besides my shirt is black. So yeah, pretty good so far. I like it. It makes me want to venture out and try more colors. It does. It so does. I'm probably gonna make more videos like this. Oh, what other colors should I do? I want to do them all. I really, like, I know this is bad, and I have enough Colourpop already, and I still have tons, like a whole basket right there that I need to like review and stuff, but like, I want to buy the Colourpop, the rainbow palettes, the 9 pan rainbow palettes, and just do them all. I think that would be so wonderful. Anyway, I'm blabbering. I'm gonna go. Thank you for hanging out. I'm loving this look. I will catch you next time. Bye.